Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling Siri and preparing the app you want closed. Open Settings, go to Siri and search, then turn on Listen for Hey Siri or press Side button for Siri. Once done, unlock your iPhone and leave the target app open so Siri can recognize it. Make sure Siri has permission to access relevant app data if prompted. These steps let Siri identify the active app and respond to your close command immediately. Don't skip permissions. Next, use a precise voice command to tell Siri to close the app. With the app open in front, say, "Hey Siri, close this app," or "Hey Siri, close app name." Speak clearly and pause briefly after opening the app so the system registers it as foreground. If Siri asks for confirmation, reply yes or confirm. This direct phrasing improves success because Siri maps the command to the active app instead of attempting unrelated tasks. Finally, verify the app is closed by swiping up to the app switcher. The app should no longer appear. If Siri didn't close it, force quit. Swipe up and flick the app off screen. Once done, relaunch briefly to confirm normal behavior. If Siri repeatedly fails, restart your device and check for iOS updates. Outdated software can block Siri controls. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure Siri language and app name match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.